Welcome to my channel and don't forget to subscribe for more Amazon product reviews. Join me as I put the Linkbuds speaker to the test and see if it really is the best portable speaker of 2024. The Linkbuds speaker has been making waves in the portable speaker market, and I'm excited to dive in and explore what all the fuss is about. With the increasing demand for high-quality portable speakers, it's no surprise that manufacturers are stepping up their game, and the Linkbuds speaker is one of the most promising contenders for the top spot in 2024. When it comes to portable speakers, we've all been there, scouring the market for the perfect blend of sound quality, battery life, and ease of use. It's a delicate balance, and often, we're forced to compromise on one or two of these key features. But what if I told you that there's a speaker out there that's rewriting the rules? A speaker that refuses to compromise and instead offers an unparalleled audio experience that's both portable and long-lasting. We've all experienced the frustration of a speaker that promises the world but fails to deliver. The sound quality is subpar, the battery dies after a few hours, or it's just a hassle to use. It's a minefield out there, and it's hard to know what to look for. Do we prioritize sound quality, or do we opt for something that's easy to take on the go? And what about battery life? Is it really possible to find a speaker that does it all? The truth is, most portable speakers are designed with one or two specific use cases in mind. They're either built for outdoor adventures or designed for indoor gatherings. But what about something that can do it all? Something that's both rugged enough for the great outdoors and stylish enough for your living room. That's where the Linkbuds speaker comes in, and I'm excited to dive deeper into its features and see if it's the real deal. So, let's talk about design. The Linkbuds speaker is sleek, compact, and incredibly lightweight, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. The durable exterior is built to withstand the elements, and the subtle curves make it easy to slip into a backpack or purse. But it's not just about looks, the Linkbuds speaker is also a powerhouse when it comes to audio performance. With crystal clear highs and deep, rumbling bass, the Linkbuds speaker is capable of producing an immersive audio experience that's unmatched by its competitors. And with its advanced wireless technology, you can seamlessly connect to your device and enjoy uninterrupted music streaming all day long. But what truly sets the Linkbuds speaker apart is its impressive battery life. With up to 12 hours of continuous playback, you can enjoy your favorite tunes from dawn till dusk without needing to recharge. And when you do need to top up, the Linkbuds speaker's rapid charging technology gets you back to full strength in no time. One of the standout features of the Linkbuds speaker that really blew me away was its innovative noise cancellation technology. Whether you're lounging by the pool or hiking through the woods, the Linkbuds speaker's advanced algorithms work tirelessly to eliminate background noise, leaving you with an unobstructed audio experience that's truly sublime. In my experience, the Linkbuds speaker has been a game changer. Whether I'm hosting a backyard barbecue or embarking on a solo adventure, this speaker has consistently delivered an unparalleled audio experience that's both portable and convenient. The noise cancellation technology is incredibly effective, and the battery life is nothing short of remarkable. So, does the Linkbuds speaker live up to its claim of being the best portable speaker of 2024? In my opinion, it's a resounding yes. With its impressive audio performance, sleek design, and unparalleled battery life, this speaker offers a unique combination of features that's hard to find elsewhere. Thanks for joining me on this in-depth review of the Linkbuds speaker. If you've got experience with this speaker or have thoughts on what makes the perfect portable speaker, be sure to share your opinions in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tech reviews and comparisons, be sure to check out my other videos and hit that subscribe button for more content.